If your girlfriend seems crazy or emotional during her period, remember that her
I love this video, go watch it. But what he says is basically that her estrogen levels drop and the testosterone rises, so she is actually behaving more like a man, but with the actual pain. And while I did enjoy that take a lot, I need to chime in here because it's not that simple and it's also kind of wrong. So this graph behind me shows a menstrual cycle. It starts at the first days of your period, which also is what we're gonna want to look at. And this black line here is the testosterone level. And as you can see, it doesn't spike during your period. In fact, it's pretty steady and low in the first few days of your cycle. But what does happen is that estrogen and progesterone drop off during your period. So testosterone becomes more noticeable. But even so, saying that testosterone or a single hormone influences behavior is also like one of the biggest misconceptions in pop science. Testosterone does influence behavior, but it's not a switch that makes you aggressive or dominant or blunt. It's more like a volume knob that amplifies behavior depending on social context, baseline personality and brain wiring, other hormones at play. So it's a cocktail of hormones, brain chemistry, social learning, culture, different current environment, and context-specific feedback, so how people react to you. Now, testosterone doesn't cause behavior. It amplifies the strategy that gets you what you want in that given situation. And this whole "you're acting like a man" thing, that's not biology. It's culture. We've been taught that being blunt, direct, or emotionally detached is like a masculine thing, and being empathetic or nurturing or soft is feminine. But those aren't hormone rules. They're social scripts. How we expect men and women to behave is shaped by culture, not by what's happening in your bloodstream. You're not acting more like a dude. You're being hormonally uncensored. And honestly, when we're in such pain, sometimes that's exactly what the situation calls for. And if you stayed around that long, hi. Oh my god, thank you. Wanna follow?